Have you ever been sewing along and just hear that the machine just doesn't sound right? And when you pull it out on the back side, things are very, very loose here. It's almost, and sometimes you even have more threads, almost looks like a nest. Well, one of the things that you can do is to check. What's happening here is that the thread is not actually in the top tension. So when we lowered the presser foot down, the thread is super easy to pull out. And that's because the thread, what I had to do to get this was I actually threaded this machine with the presser foot down. So those discs, there's two discs that close on the thread. So they closed without the thread in it. So as we stitch, we get awful, awful stitches. But because it looks like the back side, people always go digging in the bobbin, which is not where the problem is. So all you need to do is lift up the presser foot, re-thread the top of the machine. I've even been known to even do a little tug and see if I can pop it in there. Now, how would I know when I got it in the tension disc? It would be that when I lowered the presser foot and I pulled on this thread, nope, still not in there. It will actually bend the needle. So let me kind of redo this so I can see and really show you. So once again, always take the time to re-thread the machine and watch. I'm going to hold up here where the thread is and then make sure my presser foot is up while I'm threading it. And even to this point, as I went down and then up and over, when I step on or lower the presser foot, now it's really, really tight. When we feel that on, when the whole machine is threaded, it will actually bend the needle. So here, let me show you this. So as the presser foot goes down, see how tight it is? You can feel and see the needle actually bending because now the thread is in the tension discs, they have closed, and now when we sew, everybody is there to do their job, which is to make sure that when it stitches, that everything gets tight and that stitch can form on the fabric. So if you ever have any big loops on the back, what you want to do is re-thread the top of the machine, and then again you can lower the presser foot down, tug on that thread, and see if it's nice and tight when the foot is down and it's loose when the foot is up.